The old truck costs more than the brand new one. 1.4 million miles, original frame, $225,000. Peterbilt killed it in 1987. The market never forgave them. Deep black, long chrome hood, butterfly panels open from center. Both hood panels swing out, every component reachable by hand. Chrome bars, Peterbilt script, the face that defined an era. 8 feet 4 inches of hood. The 579 has 4. No touchscreen, no computer, just gauges and a steering wheel. Steel I-beams behind it, chrome hood ahead, built for this. 2 stacks rising straight, the signature no modern truck has. Same badge, same brand, completely different sole under the paint. Same frame design from 1954 to 1987. Chrome reflecting neon, every modern truck invisible beside it. 33 years, truckers refused to let Peterbilt change it. 1954, interstate highways did not exist. The 359 did.
1977, CB radio era. This truck was American freedom itself. Mountain grade, full load, deep red chrome against granite cliffs. 30,000 sales. Every buyer had a choice. Every buyer chose chrome. 1987, the regulations were real. The decision was correct. The rule that ended production, highlighted in yellow, still stings. 4.8 miles per gallon, the number that killed it. The 379 tried to keep the spirit. Most agree it failed. 847,000 miles, $52,000 new. Last one off the line, workers watching, 33 years, ending. 52,000 in 1987, 225,000 in 2026. 180,000, 195, 210, 225 sold. Original frame, third engine, second cab, final price. They made the right decision. They just created a legend doing it.
47 restored examples. 0 modern trucks getting this attention. Best in show, every year, without exception, without competition. Peterbilt 579 lost 87,000. The 359 gained 168. 45,000 invested in restoration. 175 expected at sale. Chrome bath, before and after. The craft that preserves the legend. Parts demand up 400% since 2020. Shelves emptying. $34 in 1986. $890 today. Same part. Collector insurance, $1840 per year. Commercial, $18,400. 47 359s at the show, 0 379s. 1 truck alone in a field, chrome against golden hour sky. 1,800 remain, 60 lost every year. Price rises every year. 847,000 miles, still pulling freight, not retired, not for sale. 3 offers on the windshield anyway. 1 truck, chrome visible from 300 feet up. No DPF, no DEF, no computer, just Cummins and iron.
Basic hand tools. Independent shop. No dealer computer required ever. NTC 400 parts available at every truck stop in America. 2 hours roadside. Modern truck, 8 hours waiting for dealer. Paper logbook, no ELD required. Vintage exemption applies in most states. Minus 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Cummins fires first try, every time. Frame rebuild cost, $18,000. 1,247,000 miles, all gauges reading normal. This frame will outlast 3 engines and probably the owner. First rebuild at $800,000, runs another $800 after. Freight truck in the afternoon. Work visible in the chrome, the truck that does both. Every person watching is thinking the same exact thing right now. 3 entry points: show quality, driver quality, project truck. Choose one. Frame, hood hinges, cab corners, engine smoke, VIN plate. Check all 5. Hood hinge replacement, $8,400. Check them before buying.
Cab corners first. Press firmly. No flex means no rust inside. Blue smoke at idle means worn valve seals. Walk away. 5 checks, $0. Saves you from a $40,000 mistake. Truck paper, big machinery, Ritchie Bros, Facebook groups, 12,000 members waiting. The community that knows every available truck before public listings do. 19,920 more in fuel every year. 33% appreciation. Show winnings, collector insurance, rebuild economics. Inspection complete, notes in margins. 1-word recommendation: buy it. Under 80,000 miles per year. Vintage state, collector mindset, yes. Over 150,000 miles per year. Need warranty, ELD required, no. Every driver in every passing car turns their head, every time. Chrome hood at highway speed, wind blast, the physical presence of legend. Truck stop diner, one driver gets up, goes outside, takes photos. New Peterbilt beside it, one phone comes out, not for the new one. Father showing son the details, son actually listening, market replenishing itself.
One truck, one field, chrome against afternoon sky, nothing else needed. Empty flatbed, golden hour, chrome hood pointing west, still working. Mirror finish on the badge means more in 2026 than 1987. Gray aerodynamic leaving, deep red chrome arriving. Last light of day, chrome catching it all, truck outlasting its era. Butterfly hood open, Cummins at idle, no regen, no warning. Chrome visible from altitude, impossible to miss, always was. Crowd parts as it leaves, same as when it arrived. 1,247,000 miles, engine running, gauges normal, headlights on, 2-lane highway, oncoming cars slowing to look, still. 4 trucks, 4 colors, $800,000 in one garage. Night, all lights on, chrome reflecting everything, still commanding the dark. 1,800 left, 60 lost each year. These 2 facts explain everything. Pre-dawn, Cummins fires, chrome catches first light. Fully loaded flatbed, on-ramp, long chrome hood rising over the grade. 2 Peterbilts, 40 years apart, one falling, one rising. They thought they were building trucks. They were building American history. 2 stacks against morning sky,
the signature they traded for efficiency. Highway overpass, chrome visible before any other vehicle. Open desert, Route 66 light, chrome reflecting the whole American West. Last built 1987, current price $225. The math never lies. Chrome blinding in afternoon light, the truck that refused to become history. Still running, still appreciating, still irreplaceable. The legend they killed too early.